Sorry. Now for this one, it's page 231. For this problem, you have to connect it, meaning you have to use the figure on this side to help you explain how you solved it, and how you found your area. Now, part number two says, look at your picture, explain how you could find the total area of the figure. This one's like the last video, where you have to explain how you separate them into how many parallelograms and how many triangles. And again, you need to be able to tell me, what are the four parallelograms. What can you say about them? And whenever they ask you these questions, it's more of like, it's asking you what are the similarities. So you can say they have the same area, they have the same base, they have the same heights. But the parallelograms, of course, would have a different area than the triangles. For part four, it's asking you what is the area of one of the parallelograms and what is the area of one of the triangles. And when you show your work here, I guess you can write it on the side of the paper. If not, you can use scratch paper and just hold on to it, and I can have it count for your grade for that part. So just make sure you have your scratch paper saved. I should have said that earlier. Now, number four. We did number four. Scratchy throat. Number five says, calculate the amount of glass needed for the window. So for that one, the amount needed for the glass, you're gonna have to add up all your areas. So you're gonna have to find the area first, which is multiplication, and then you have to add up all your areas. So let's see if I can do it with this. Now for this part, let's do for the triangle first. So we had said the base was 10 for the triangle, and then for the height, it would be 3. Here, let me delete them actually. So it's 10 for the base, and then this would be 3 for the height. So to find the triangle, we would just do 1/2 times the base times the height. When we do half of 10, we get 5 with 3 left over. So 5 times 3 would give us 15. So that means that each triangle is going to be worth 15 for the area. So this triangle is going to be 15 for the area, and this triangle is going to be 15 for the area. Now, you need to find out what the area is for each parallelogram. I'm not going to give you that one. But when you find the total area, you're going to have to add up all the areas. So for example, my 2 triangles, and then I'm going to need the area for this one. So let's call this one area 1. Oh, that's an I. Let's call this area 1, area 2, area 3, and then area 4. So you have to add up the 2 triangle areas plus the other areas. Sorry for my writing, plus A4. And when you're explaining how you find the area of the polygon, you can just describe telling me, okay, I added this area plus this one plus this one plus this one plus this one plus this one. It's not a trick question. Then you're gonna have to find the areas for these 2 figures on your own. But I'll give you an example. So I'll give you an example like number 7, and then I'll do an example like number 8. Let's see. I'll do it in the next video.